Hello guys, and welcome to another round of 20 questions with full-time RV YouTubers. Now, we're dedicating this series to help to introduce the full-time community on YouTube to the viewers, and also to share so many real-life experiences. So welcome Lewis and Sandra of First Class RV Adventures. And yeah, tell us a little bit about yourselves.
Hello, so I'm Sandra.
And I'm Lewis.
I hope they grasp that.
I hope they knew that one. I'm Lewis. Just kidding. So, we are...
Sandro.
Yeah.
Sandro.
That's funny. So we are a full-time family of 4. We travel with our 2 little minions, Jules and Mimi. And when we began our adventure, they were only 1 and 3 years old. So it's been quite a ride.
A couple learning experiences.
Yes, we were starting walking with our youngest. Our oldest was learning how to talk more because he had a speech delay. So it's been quite a journey.
You know, life still goes on when you're on the road. Just because it may appear that we're out here living the dream does not mean that you're immune to all of life's BS problems that just arise.
Challenges.
And that's a fact, and that's why we inspire to help people find their true definition of freedom and hit the road, or maybe not hit the road, but just do something that just makes you come out alive, you know?
Yeah.
We always talk about that a lot. It
Yeah.
doesn't have to be that you do what we do. This is our dream, but what's your dream?
Exactly.
So let's jump into the game of 20 questions.
Yeah! Dun dun dun!
Alright, so here it is. We have the generic deck of blank cards. Crabs adjust humidity, not Cards Against Humanity. And welcome to 20 questions. Here's your first question, guys.
Oh, this is easy. Something you binge watched. Game of Thrones.
Okay. Winter's coming.
Yes.
Okay, nice. We're off to a good start.
We can't wait for the new season.
Yes, we
Is
started
winter
over.
Or summer? Is summer coming finally?
No,
it's still winter.
Still winter.
Okay.
Favorite video you produced for your YouTube channel? Oh, that's a good question.
I would say favorite one.
Not the best viewed, but just the one that you really
One
like.
that you guys
I was so
I-
proud of this one. Or
I love the one I did, the intro video where I got to speak like our story. It was very short, a minute long, but like, and it was Facebook Live. Like I had taken it off our Facebook Live. That's my favorite.
Wow, so it was all in one shoot.
I might be a little biased, but I really like my fishing videos.
Next question.
Funny. Of course. Most memorable person you've met while RVing? Oh, that's hard.
Wow.
There's a lot of strange people out there, so that memorable can be vast.
And that little boy with his acrobats is very memorable for me.
Okay. I was thinking more of the a-hole that we met in the UP.
That is memorable.
Starting to get into
30 seconds. Tell us about this a-hole.
Yeah.
Well, he did not do his research on where he was parking, and he was mad that he paid for his spot when you really didn't have to. And so he decided to come knock on our door and start an argument with us. And he was a little racist, and he said things like we came to the UP to hide our RV and our truck because they were stolen. That's the gist of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question.
All right. Who inspired you to YouTube?
Our millionaire mentor.
Yeah. He said we had to clone ourselves.
Done.
And who's your millionaire mentor?
Darren Little.
Okay.
Jinx.
Oh, this is easy.
Oh, future travel plans.
We have none.
Well, we're going to cross the Rockies.
Yes.
We're going to boondock. Ooh, that's
Yes.
kind of scary. We're going to boondock across the Rockies. Wish us luck with 2 kids that sometimes pee in their bed. And water is limited. All right. RV toilet paper.
Scott's.
Off-brand.
Use generic Scott's?
Yeah.
There's even generic versions. I thought Scott's was generic
Really?
enough.
Did it really? It's a brand. It's a big brand.
Yeah, but it's the
Septic Safe.
It's the cheap stuff.
Septic Safe.
Yeah, we use Septic
We have
Safe.
not had not one problem with our Scots.
We use the Great
Scots.
Value brand, the one that says compared to Scots.
Yes.
Okay.
Gotcha. The Walmart version of Scott.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good to know.
Favorite RV themed movie? Oh, Shitter's
easy.
Full.
Yeah. That's,
So Christmas Vacation?
Yes, I always
Okay.
forget the title of the
Totally.
movie.
Yep,
She
National
just knows the
Lampoon.
line.
everybody knows the line.
Okay.
That should have been the name of the movie.
This is fun.
This is awesome.
Favorite destination?
Oh my gosh. That's so hard.
It has to be our favorite RV destination so far.
Yeah.
Man.
That's hard. I love
State?
the Badlands.
Nope. Destination.
Spot.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I love the Badlands,
Man.
but I also love Utah.
Oh man. Destination. Holy smokes. I would say the fishing capital of the world.
Which is
Alaska? You haven't been there yet.
I was gonna say Florida.
It's
But,
cute down here in Florida.
I mean,
Those
that.
little fish
Yeah.
down here, don't they?
You guys have fun.
You get a barracuda every now and then.
You're hurting me, bro. You're hurting me.
Dude, I'm an Alaska fishing guy.
I mean, destination, man, that is so tough. You know, I was really liking Glenwood Springs.
And
Oh,
where's
that
that?
was nice.
'Cause-
In Colorado.
Yes,
Okay.
we did a lot of really cool. We did a vapor cave,
Yeah.
which was an experience of a lifetime,
And the
and then we
springs.
also did a hot spring, which was
That's true.
Hot
was
springs
nice.
are great.
it was like
Yeah.
it was like vacation while we were RVing. So yes,
Nice.
Pick one RV club to join. We haven't
Escapees.
joined any, right?
escapers.
That's what we were thinking of joining.
Okay. Nice. And
But-
why?
Because we got to meet Melanie and Travis, and
And we really like them.
yeah,
Good personality.
they were cool.
They could drink.
Okay.
Got the important things going.
Yes, yes, you know, check.
All right. Moving right along.
Gosh. What are your pet peeves?
Pet peeves of RV life or just period?
In your RV life.
Pet peeves are in the RV.
All right. So let me rephrase this.
Okay.
here. Sandra, does he do anything that frustrates the heck out of you?
Oh yeah, that.
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
that's
yeah.
easy.
Okay.
I
Oh,
thought
that's
you
a
meant like
gimme.
RV living pet peeves.
Now, is there anything that she does that frustrates the heck out of you? So let's go that
My
direction.
OCD.
Oh man.
So I have OCD, and Lewis loves to take things out and not put them back. What the heck? And he also likes to rip cereal boxes open like he's the Hulk.
Okay, next one.
And I don't know why. That's
Next?
it. That's
Okay.
it.
I don't know, hairballs maybe? Maybe some hairballs.
You get them caught in your throat or what?
You know, they tend to clog drains.
And I clean them.
Yes, and they're like baby wigs everywhere.
I don't lose that much hair.
Talk to her brush. The brush knows everything.
I think for the sake of continuing this, we better just move on to the next part.
We could be here a while.
This is funny.
Or we
Sex
might end
in the
right
RV. Oh,
What's the card
that's
say?
Funny.
Without
Sex
waking the
in
kids.
the RV without waking the kids. So they're still little, thank goodness. So we're wondering what's gonna happen as they get older.
They're gonna have a tent outside.
But or maybe
we
we'll
will
have
have the
to
tent
have
outside.
it. But when we have my stepdaughter, then it's challenging.
Yes.
Like
3
we have
o'clock in the
to-
morning alarms.
Privacy.
Like Jessica
Yeah.
and Robert.
Stop putting their stuff out there.
So you're saying it doesn't happen when the kids are around?
Not only when we have our
Oldest.
oldest,
Right.
yeah.
So what's the plan once the little ones are big? Haven't crossed
Same.
that bridge yet?
Yeah, haven't
Or
crossed
just
that bridge yet.
abstinence?
No. No. Alarms.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
2 in the morning alarms. Hey, we got a date.
Well, I guess we should probably move on to another one.
What song best represents you? Ooh. I don't know.
Man.
Give me a song.
I mean, I know which song pops to my head.
Which one?
All right, let's hear
And
it.
it's we will rock you.
Okay, some Queen.
What's that song I like every time we hit the road?
Bad to the Bone.
Yes.
Right?
Right?
I think so, right?
Yeah.
Getting on the highway.
Yes.
That one.
Bad to the Bone.
Okay, there we go.
Look-
Looking for adventure. Yes.
I see he has a
They
career
like
in
classic
it in
rock.
his future.
Good choice.
Yeah, I like 70s
Good
rock.
taste.
Yeah.
Something we don't know about you.
Now I know we're still getting to know each other, so it's something that your YouTube community.
That we don't really talk about.
Interesting. That we don't really talk about.
Man,
So
I
we
don't know.
talk about everything.
I know our whole lives are out there.
Mm-hmm.
That's a
Maybe,
good one.
I don't think I've ever shared that I did photography for Lifetouch back in the day. I think that's my thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
It's never come up.
that's so hard for me.
You had hair when I met you.
I used to have long curly hair when Sandra met me.
You never said that.
Okay.
You never knew that. Now you know.
There you go. Here's your next card.
Thank you. Who is the better cook? Oh.
That's
Okay. And give some examples of creations.
Oh, on the grill. He kills it on the grill.
But I cannot do recipes.
I'm the good
and she
recipe
kills the
cook.
recipes.
Yeah,
that's similar
true.
to us.
very
I
similar to us.
just wing it.
Okay.
And I can never really
that's
duplicate
funny.
a dish because I don't really
I do
remember.
tongue only. Like that's exactly
By
like
taste.
the taste.
Yeah.
Whatever I want to taste, whether it's Caribbean or you know what I'm saying, Chinese or whatever, that taste that I want, I got it.
This one should be interesting for the Floridian RVers.
Oh, coldest temp you've RV'd in.
We've done 20s.
Yeah, I think that's the coldest.
Okay.
UP, the sewer hose started getting
And we ran.
ice, so we left.
It's time to go.
So number 16.
Oh, East
West
Coast
Coast.
or West Coast? Yeah, West Coast
West Coast.
mountains.
West
Oh,
Coast.
they're so
West Coast.
pretty.
But you guys are East Coasters, so
Yeah.
you recognize
Oh yeah.
what the West Coast has.
Oh, the
Absolutely.
whole state, yeah. I mean, the
Absolutely.
whole country's beautiful, but the West Coast, those
Yeah.
mountains.
I basically think in my head like East Coast, city,
Yes.
and then the West Coast is like mountains.
Open land.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful. What YouTube channels do you watch? So I don't watch too much YouTube because I have like 100 things going on, but I do enjoy watching the ones with families. Less Junk More Journey is one of them, and I can't remember their name. The one with the 7 kids, the Norps.
I'm gonna go outside of the RV realm, and I'm gonna say You Are Creators. I really like their channel.
Never heard of that. What's it about?
Personal development.
Cool. That's good stuff. Number 18.
Advice for buying an RV. So my advice would be to rent, like the type of RV that you're considering, because I totally wish we would have done that.
And my advice would be go to a RV show. So you can get a taste of every single one you could possibly dream of
Be
in
overwhelmed.
one place.
That's good advice.
19. How do you get internet? So we use a hotspot on our T-Mobile phones and also a jetpack from AT&T.
And we would recommend to have at least 2 providers on the road.
Yes,
At least.
definitely.
Yep. Number 20.
Last one.
Oh.
Game's over.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, Mac or PC?
Mac.
Hashtag Apple.
So you're not a household divided. Everybody uses Max, huh?
Yes.
We're Max.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you for participating in our 20 questions game. Now you have the honor of closing this video out by giving the obligatory subscribe to our channel, subscribe to your channel, and whatever else you have to say in your closing statement.
All right.
So make sure you subscribe to his and her vlogs here. It should be here somewhere.
And then you can find us anywhere under First Class RV Adventures, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube,
Epic Nomad Life.
and our blog as well. It's all First Class RV Adventures with an S at the end.
Where we support your dreams.
Thank you guys.